go to File, Open, and go into the Toolbox folder and select a picture. It doesn't really matter what picture you use, but I found one that was in the Rotate tool that looks good. It's called c.jpg. Open it, and this tool here is the flip tool. You click it, and when you click on the image, you can see it basically flips it, makes a mirror image of that picture. Every time I click, it flips from horizontally from left to right. If I was to click vertical down here and still using the flip tool, you can see that it flips it vertically.